Good morning, Toka Angels. Let me just pour some tea. My favorite. Hey, hon, let's turn on the news. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
All right, our weather alert continues, expecting blizzard conditions tonight. This is that calm before the storm. Really pretty sunrise here. That's our Lincoln camera, I believe. Yeah, and we are looking at dry conditions across the area. Let's take a look at the situation with this storm. In terms of the impact, last storm we called it major. This one is major to extreme, mainly because of the wind and the power.
This tea is so good. But my due date's today. What if the snow covers the road too much? Oh no, we gotta get groceries. I'm gonna go tell the kids. Oh no. Sienna, wake up. Sienna, wake up. Sienna, wake up. Sienna, what's Dad? What do you want? Your mother's having the baby today. We gotta go to the hospital. So you just stay here, okay? Can you do that? What? Sure, Dad, whatever. Just leave me alone. Okay, thank you. Just also make sure to tell Stella too, okay? Whatever, Dad, go away. Okay, jeez, I'm leaving. Okay, I'm gonna go get some groceries, but... Oh? Is your water break? Yeah. But we have to get groceries. What are we gonna do? We don't have to get groceries, it's fine, let's just go. Yeah, I guess you're right. Let's just go. Come on. The ice on the road, we're slipping and sliding, yeah. Oh, contractions. Just stay calm, man, let's go. Wait for me. So we're actually gonna have you stay out here, just for precautions. Oh, okay, I guess. Alright, let's go. Roll you here. Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna have you put on this hospital gown here. Thank you. Okay, I guess. It isn't the most fashionable thing, but I guess it'll be okay. I think I rock yellow, actually. Okay, do I just put it in the locker? Yep. Go ahead and do that. Okay. Contractions. Okay, ma'am, let's go ahead and push. Oh, congratulations, you're a beautiful baby girl. Wait, what's the matter? I think I see another head. What? You're gonna have to push again. Okay. Oh, it's another beautiful baby girl. I love them both so much. They're so cute. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And if you want a name review, we'll see you in the next one. Bye, Toka Angels.